Hello everyone and hello friend. Good evening. So everyone now uh, I'm come back from Masbagi and I'm dinner, and after dinner usually I wanna teaching, and now I'm walking to my room to my class for teaching. Timok mana? Until now guys, I'm so much until now. Maybe if my stomach nothing gone until tomorrow, maybe I wanna go home because this is a serious problem. Amir, aneh, tas kelupaan. Rizky, ambilkan saya tas saya sekali di kamar Ustaz Haji. Tas. Ya, tas kecil. Ada dia bergantung dekat pintu di luar. Di luar dia. Itu beruga no. Halo.
Taksi si desa. Timban.
Hah?
Timban.
Becat lah, becat. Barang penting isin tuh, kepeng lu isin tuh, becat. Oh, kepeng lu isin tuh. Bireng. Tuh dua tau, mesa-mesa tas bergantung tuh. Okay guys, I forget my bag, my small bag. So I'm command student for take my bag. So in my class, so my friend changed me for teaching. So now I'm slow. And I hope my stomach gone in tomorrow guys, because this is it's very serious. Hah? Aran? Nani suruh kanak? Bertulak. Nani suruh kanak? Bertulak.
Dua pak. Apa gawat?
Biasa, tugas. Okay guys, continue my speak. So everyone, now I'm in front of my class. So everyone, maybe until tomorrow my stomach not gone. Maybe I wanna go home, so I don't come to campus, because this is serious problem. And now I'm watching my friend teaching in my class. And I'm drink coffee. This is for health because if all of you so much I'm recommended to all of you drink coffee but nothing sugar, coffee only guys, coffee coffee traditional, not coffee in shop, but coffee traditional. And this is for health and good for drink if all of you so much. And in here I'm waiting my friend maybe until final teaching until 10 p.m. o'clock. And now the time is 8 and 51 o'clock. And I'm waiting until 1 hour. This is a long time. And after I make video, maybe I'm enter to my class. So I'm watching my friend. This is not sweet, guys, because nothing sugar. Okay, guys. Now I'm bring my achievement from my lecture because I'm put in room my friend. So maybe this achievement is gone. So I'm bring to my room, guys, for take for put in my room. So this is, you can see all student teaching with my friend. Ah. And if it is not enough, if it's not enough, let's try again and again, over and over.
Dengar gua garam.
Kembali.
Boleh menyanyi.
Apa sim surapalan? Ano? Sarala.
Apa laku ni? Keplay sana ni.
Azi. Nih padam nih. Hey guys, this is my friend. He changed me for teaching in my class. And he teaching about 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 Islamic religion, guys. And every night I'm with my friend, always teaching Islam religion. This is this is this is obligation for all students. Now my body is very not good, guys, and I'm tired because I'm go to Shillong and come back to Shillong, come back from Shillong. I'm take my banner, I'm put my banner to in room satpam security, and after that I'm sit with my friend maybe a few minutes in Maghrib, and my dad calling me for go to Rakam, and I just go to Rakam, guys, and I'm stuck in SMK 1 Selong, and I'm wait my dad, and maybe a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes I'm stuck, and my dad until Rakam, and I meet my dad, and after that my dad help to me and he say I'm go to Masbage. He command I'm go to Masbage for border clutter chaos, and I'm go with Subhan go to Masbage, and until after I'm until Masbage I'm in Ude Arkan for printing this chaos clutter. Go ambil kelas mo. And after that after I from Masbage I'm come back, and I'm pick up Subhan until Moyot in Kebon Moyot, and after that I'm buying BBM for motorcycle my friend in Pertamina, maybe a few minutes in 10 minutes, and after that I'm go to Rumbu for buying snack and order, and after that I'm come back to my school, and after I'm until school I'm very hungry, and I'm very hungry then, and I'm see rice, and I just eating, guys, I just dinner, and after dinner I make the coffee, and I'm prayer Isa, and I'm good to here, guys. Really, guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and see you next time.